Couple days ago, I was going somewhere. Listen up, listen up, pay attention. My dog was sleeping, so I heard my dog talking. So if you know what the dog telling me, the dog tell me, look, can you take a video of me sleeping and put it on the internet, put it on TikTok, because everybody on TikTok, and I want to be a famous dog on TikTok. I couldn't believe what I'm hearing from the dog. So listen guys, even the dog want to be famous on TikTok. So post your video. Post your video guys. Post your video.